Hello, fellow food lovers. Today I will be making Chinese Yang Chow Fried Rice, also known as Deluxe Fried Rice. You will need 2 cups of day-old rice, 6 to 8 medium shrimp, 4 to 6 slices barbecue pork, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon garlic, 2 green onion, salt, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Okay, so I got about a tablespoon of garlic. I got 3 pieces of garlic. I smashed it with the side of the knife to flatten it, and I'm mincing it now. I've got 2 green onions. I'm gonna rinse it really quickly, and I'm gonna cut the roots off, and I'm gonna slice it up. Okay, I got cornstarch here. I'm gonna put about a tablespoon of cornstarch into a bowl. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of water to that. I'm going to mix it up, make sure the cornstarch is dissolved in the water. I'm going to crack 2 eggs into that. Give it a pinch of salt to season. I'm going to use a fork and whisk it. Make sure the egg yolks are broken and it's mixed in with the cornstarch slurry. Okay, I got about 6 medium shrimp here. They're raw. They're partially shelled. Just the tails at the end are still on it, so I'm just going to pull the tails off them. And sometimes you buy shrimp that are raw, that are frozen, that are partially shelled and also deveined, so they just leave the tail on, because sometimes people will cook it with the tails on, like battered or something like that. Yeah, so I'm going to pull the tails off these, and then I'm going to cut each shrimp in half. So these aren't big shrimp, they're about medium sized. Okay, so I got about 6 slices of barbecue pork. I've chopped up most of them already, but yeah, chop up each slice into like 4 or 5 pieces. So 6 slices of barbecue pork there, cut up. Okay, I'm gonna fry the eggs up first. So I got a non-stick skillet on high heat. I'm gonna pour some oil in there. swirl the oil around so it covers the bottom of the pan. I'm gonna add the egg mixture in there. Make sure that the cornstarch slurry is thoroughly mixed in with the egg before you pour it in. So I'll let the egg set for a bit, and then I'll push it over to the side, and I'll pour the raw egg over to the other side of the pan. That's usually how I make scrambled eggs. So I'll flip the eggs over, cook the other side as well. Yeah, so scrambled eggs in Hong Kong and in Canton is usually made with the eggs mixed in with a cornstarch slurry, and it's supposed to make the eggs softer and silkier. I find it makes a difference. Okay, so I'm going to break the eggs into maybe 8-10 big pieces. So they're maybe 80% cooked. They're a little wet still, but they're going to finish cooking with the rice. Okay, I have the wok out now. It's on high heat. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Swirl it around, and then I'm going to add the garlic, the minced garlic. Stir that around. I'll probably stir fry the garlic for maybe 20-30 seconds. It'll burn quite quickly. And then I'll add the shrimp to that. Shrimp will cook quite quickly. As soon as it changes color, it becomes white, then it's pretty much done. Okay, the shrimp's mostly done now, probably 90% cooked, so I'm going to take it out. I still got some oil and some garlic in the wok, so I'm going to add the 2 cups of day-old rice to it. I'm going to use a spatula. I'm going to break the rice up. And every once in a while I'll flip it over so that the top side goes to the bottom. So you want to make sure you scrape the bottom of the wok so that the rice doesn't burn and stick to the bottom of the wok. That's very important. When you're making fried rice, you want to keep on stirring it. Okay, I'm going to season the rice with a pinch of salt. So it's called fried rice because it's lightly fried. So the rice gets a bit of a kind of a crispy coating to it from being fried in the oil. A slight crispy coating. It's quite pleasant to eat because of that. Okay, so the rice has been frying for a couple of minutes now. It's thoroughly heated up and kind of crisped up. Okay, I'm going to add the shrimp to it. I'm going to add the barbecue pork. So in Hong Kong, this is called Yang Chow Fried Rice. It's typically fried rice that has barbecue pork, shrimp, and scrambled eggs in it. Okay, I'm going to dump in the green onion as well. Here in Canada, in a lot of the Chinese, Canadian kind of like takeout places, they'll have this on the menu as deluxe fried rice. So most times when you order deluxe fried rice here in Canada, it'll have the barbecue pork, the shrimp, and the scrambled eggs. Okay, so in goes the scrambled eggs. We'll give it one final mix and it'll be done. I like the eggs to be as big as possible. I don't want it broken into big pieces. It's actually very pleasing to look at when there's like big chunks of scrambled eggs in there. Okay, so I'm going to turn the heat off. I'm going to plate it up. You want to make sure you're constantly stirring it when you're making fried rice. Okay, there you have it. That's Yang Chow Fried Rice, also known here in Canada as Deluxe Fried Rice. It's a nice combination with the bit of seafood, the shrimp, the eggs, and the barbecue pork. It's quite the nice mix for fried rice. Okay, bon appetit.